Losing your touch. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, losing one's touch. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to lose your touch. The phrase, lose one's touch, refers to a decline in someone's ability or skill in a particular area, especially one where they were once skilled or adept. It implies that the person is no longer as good at something as they used to be. This could be due to various reasons like lack of practice, aging, or changes in circumstances. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember their meanings. The term touch, in this context, likely derives from the tactile sense, indicating a fine or delicate handling of something. Over time, it evolved to symbolically represent skill or proficiency in a broader sense. So, when someone loses their touch, it means they've lost that finesse or skill. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. A chef. After not cooking professionally for years, I feel like I've lost my touch in the kitchen. 2. An athlete. Since his injury, the football player seems to have lost his touch in scoring goals. 3. A musician. She used to play the piano beautifully, but she hasn't practiced in years and has lost her touch. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various professions and hobbies. When using this phrase, it's important to remember it's typically used in a negative or regretful context. It's often a way to express disappointment or nostalgia for a skill that's diminished. For instance, saying, "I've lost my touch in writing poetry," suggests a sense of loss over a once valued ability. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, lose one's touch. Remember, language is a living thing, and phrases like this add color and depth to our conversations. So go ahead, use it in your next English dialogue, and see how it enriches your communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content.